Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 30 Neo. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. Confirm, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with none. Now let's select swipe, pin, password, and in the end pattern. When it's done, we can go to fingerprint unlock, select setup, got it, and now simply tap on the fingerprint sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now let's use it to unlock the phone. Last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Select setup. And now simply scan your face in this area. Unfortunately right now I can't scan my face because of some malfunction, but basically you put your face in front of the front camera, scan it, and that's all. Then you'll be able to use your face to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.